Hello and welcome back to Dazzle Creatives, your channel for inspiring and innovative home architecture. If you're looking for a design that perfectly balances style, function, and modern comfort, you've come to the right place. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a stunning three-bedroom modern house that redefines efficient and elegant living. This design is packed with thoughtful details that make a house a home. This beautiful residence is a two-story structure, meticulously planned across a total floor area of 216 square meters. The design ingeniously separates the lively, communal areas from the quiet, private quarters. On the ground floor, you'll find the social heart of the home, alongside a convenient guest bedroom. The first floor is dedicated to rest and relaxation, featuring additional bedrooms and a cozy family lounge. This layout makes it an ideal blueprint for a modern family seeking both shared moments and personal space. Join us as we take a virtual tour through every corner of this exceptional property. We'll start with the striking exterior before moving inside to explore the airy, open-plan living space with its dramatic double-height ceiling. We will walk through the sleek kitchen, the private bedrooms, each with its own bathroom, and the relaxing outdoor terraces. Let's get started. As we approach the house, the exterior immediately communicates a clean and contemporary architectural style. The design is based on strong, geometric forms, creating a visually appealing structure that feels both modern and solid. The interplay between different building volumes, such as the way the upper floor is set back to create the terrace, adds dynamic interest. This isn't just a box, it's a thoughtfully composed home that makes a sophisticated statement from the moment you see it. The choice of materials and colors enhances the modern aesthetic, creating a rich and textured facade. The walls feature a beautiful contrast between smooth, light-colored plaster and panels of earthy, brown-toned brickwork. This combination not only adds warmth and character, but also breaks up the surfaces to highlight the home's architectural lines. The dark frames around the windows and doors provide a sharp, clean accent that ties the entire design together. One of the standout features of this exterior is the expansive upper terrace on the first floor, which serves as a private outdoor retreat. Protected by sleek glass railings that ensure safety without obstructing the view, this space is perfect for enjoying a morning coffee or relaxing in a hammock. Furthermore, the design incorporates large windows on both levels, promising a home that is flooded with natural light and feels connected to its surroundings. Stepping through the front door, you are immediately greeted by a wonderful sense of space and light, thanks to the home's open-plan ground floor. The living room and dining room are combined into one large, fluid area, creating an inviting atmosphere that's perfect for both relaxing with family and entertaining guests. The living area is generously sized, anchored by a large, comfortable sectional sofa and armchair, which defines the space for conversation and entertainment. This seamless layout ensures that the social heart of the home feels connected and expansive. The most breathtaking feature of the living area is undoubtedly the magnificent double-height ceiling. On the floor plans, this is indicated as a void above the living room, meaning the space is open all the way to the ceiling of the first floor. This architectural choice creates a dramatic sense of volume and airiness, making the entire home feel larger and more grandiose. This void not only draws in an incredible amount of natural light, but also creates a visual link to the first floor lounge, allowing for a unique connection between the two levels of the house. The interior design complements the modern architecture perfectly. A stylish feature wall with vertical wood paneling serves as the focal point for the entertainment center in the living room. Adjacent to this space, the dining area is clearly defined, featuring a handsome wooden table with seating for 6. This area is conveniently positioned between the living room and the entrance to the kitchen, making serving meals effortless. Thoughtful details like decorative wall picture frames and plush area rugs work together to create a warm, cohesive, and sophisticated environment. Conveniently located just off the dining area, we find the home's beautifully designed kitchen. The space is laid out in an efficient U-shape, which is perfect for creating an ergonomic workflow with everything within easy reach. The design is sleek and modern, featuring two-tone cabinetry that pairs light, solid-colored doors with warm, wood-grain interiors and open shelves. This is complemented by a sophisticated marble pattern material used for both the countertops and the backsplash, giving the room a clean and luxurious feel. A large window positioned directly above the sink bathes the space in natural light. Functionality is at the core of this kitchen's design. There is ample storage available in both the upper and lower cabinets, ensuring a clutter-free environment. The kitchen is equipped with modern fittings, including a stylish black sink and a built-in cooktop with an overhead extractor fan. An interesting feature noted on the floor plan is the adjoining kitchen terrace. This small, dedicated outdoor space is a fantastic practical addition, ideal for ventilation or perhaps even a small herb garden right outside the kitchen. Right next to the kitchen is a separate and highly practical laundry room. This dedicated space continues the home's cohesive design, featuring similar countertops and cabinetry to what we saw in the kitchen. The room is well planned, with space for a washer and dryer, as well as its own sink and counter space for sorting and folding. Having a separate room like this is a thoughtful touch, allowing laundry chores to be kept neatly organized and out of the main living areas. A fantastic feature of this design is the inclusion of a complete bedroom suite on the ground floor, which is incredibly practical for hosting guests or for family members who may prefer not to use the stairs. This room serves as a private and comfortable retreat. The design features a striking wall of vertical wood slats, which acts as a stylish backdrop for a wall-mounted television. Ample storage is provided by a large, built-in wardrobe, and the room is well lit by large windows and contemporary pendant lights, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. This bedroom boasts its own private, ensuite bathroom, adding a layer of luxury and convenience. The bathroom is finished with modern, light-colored marble-patterned walls, giving it a clean and bright feel. It is fully equipped with contemporary fixtures, including a vanity with a sink, a wall-mounted toilet, and a spacious walk-in shower that features a sleek, black shower system. Having such a well-appointed, private bathroom makes this ground floor suite completely self-contained and exceptionally comfortable for any resident or visitor. Also on the ground floor, conveniently located for guests, is a chic and modern powder room. This isn't just a simple toilet, it's a stylishly designed space. The walls are clad in a beautiful, light-colored marble tile, creating a very elegant feel. The room features contemporary fixtures, including a vanity with a countertop sink and a striking circular mirror with backlighting that adds a touch of sophistication. The layout smartly separates the vanity area from the toilet, providing extra privacy for guests. It's a compact but thoughtfully appointed space that demonstrates the home's attention to detail. Moving up to the next level, the U-shaped staircase is a design feature in itself. The steps made from a beautiful light-colored stone or marble, giving the ascent a solid and elegant feel. On the ground floor, the design cleverly incorporates storage space under the stairs, a practical solution for tucking away household items. As you reach the first floor landing, you are greeted by a stylish vertical wood slat screen, which adds texture, warmth, and a degree of privacy to the upper level while still allowing light to filter through. At the top of the stairs, the home opens into a cozy first-floor lounge. This area serves as a more private, secondary living space, perfect for family relaxation away from the main entertainment area below. The most defining feature of this lounge is that it directly overlooks the double-height living room through the void. This connection is made safe and stylish with a modern glass balustrade that ensures an unobstructed view. This thoughtful design element creates a wonderful sense of openness and keeps the two floors of the home visually and socially connected. The first floor is home to two more well-proportioned bedrooms, providing comfortable personal spaces for the family. Both rooms share a similar, highly functional design, featuring large built-in wardrobes that offer generous storage. They each include a cleverly integrated shelf and mounting space for a television, and large windows with blinds ensure both natural light and privacy. While the layouts are consistent, Each room has its own identity, distinguished by different color accents on the wardrobe panels and unique choices in bedding and decor. A significant luxury of this design is that both of these first-floor bedrooms are ensuite, each with its own private bathroom. The bathrooms are identical in their modern style and high-quality finishes, creating a cohesive feel throughout the home. The bathrooms are fitted with contemporary walk-in showers, sleek vanities with sinks, and toilets, all set against elegant, light-colored marble-patterned walls. These private, fully equipped bathrooms provide ultimate comfort and convenience for the occupants of each bedroom. Accessible from the first-floor landing is one of the most desirable features of this home, the expansive upper terrace. This large, private outdoor space effectively acts as an open-air room, significantly extending the living area. The terrace is furnished with comfortable outdoor seating, a hammock, and beautiful potted plants, illustrating its potential as a perfect oasis for relaxation or for entertaining friends and family. The terrace is enclosed by a modern glass railing, which ensures safety while offering an uninterrupted view. This wonderful feature provides a private retreat to enjoy the fresh air and sunshine, adding immense value and appeal to the home's design. In conclusion, this three-bedroom modern house design successfully combines architectural flair with practical, family-oriented living across its 216 square meters of floor area. From the dramatic double-height living room that connects the two floors to the seamless flow of the open-plan living and dining areas, every detail is geared towards a modern lifestyle. The design thoughtfully includes a private guest suite on the ground floor, two more ensuite bedrooms upstairs, and wonderful outdoor spaces like the spacious upper terrace, creating a home that is both beautiful and highly functional. We hope you enjoyed this tour. What was your favorite feature of this contemporary home? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this design inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Dazzle Creatives for more innovative home designs and creative architectural concepts. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.